We're all about Jamaica, so the farm is in Jamaica. We harvest the milk in Jamaica. We make all the products in Jamaica.
That's Trudy Wilson of Cabra Ranch, where goat milk becomes something special.
We're about to launch our fresh goat milk product. We also have a rum cream that is now our feature product because everybody loves it. As well as we have a sweetened condensed milk and a Cabra caramel, which is like a toffee.
We focus on natural products from Jamaica, mainly herbs. We have the sea moss, we have a dog blood, saucy pearl, vervain, just to name a few.
Natural Pearls of Jamaica, managed by Neil Kennedy, is keeping herbal traditions alive with hand-picked, authentic Jamaican remedies.
Our products are natural and authentic, and they're hand-picked. So what we focus on is the quality of our products.
We are farmers and we are chocolate makers. And the cocoa trees are grown amongst the coffee trees. So what we find is you get cross-pollination between the cocoa and the coffee. So the cocoa then carries the creamy notes of the Blue Mountain coffee.
At Mount Pleasant Farm Chocolatiers, Avril French turns high-altitude cocoa into handcrafted chocolate products.
We try to be sustainable and we use all aspects of our cocoa pod. So we use the beans and we make chocolate, we make a wide range, 8 different flavors of chocolate bars. We do cocoa powder, we do cocoa butter, we do cocoa nibs, and recently we start making a granola from the cocoa pod itself. We also do chocolate tea balls.
3 bold Jamaican brands, 1 powerful message.
Go Jamaica, all Jamaican products.
We are here for Jamaica and we are Jamaican.
When you spend your money, you buy something that's beneficial to your body.